Hi, I'm Pete from EcoFires and Stoves in Crookham Village. I'm here again with James from Gazco in Exeter, and today we're looking at the very impressive Reflex 750 gas fire. So James, this has obviously been a really popular fire for Gazco ever since it came out. Would you like to tell us a little bit more about it and what you like about this fire?
Certainly. The one thing, Pete, within this is I now class this as a 52-week-a-year fire, and to give you some examples of that as to how that works. So what we're looking at here is a fire now that's in full flame. We've got a dual burner on there. We've got a burner in front of the log and a burner at the back of the log, as well as the LED lights that are showing underneath. We can now reduce those back burners at the back of those logs, and we've still got something there that represents a full visual, and certainly enough visual of that fire, but we've now reduced the heat by half. If we're now getting too hot, we can now bring that flame down and reduce that flame to the point where we have no flame left, because we are at the point where we're as warm as we want to be, and now we've still got the ambience and the effects of the fire in flame, or certainly giving some life within the room. Again, those lights, if they wanted to be, could be further dimmed, but what it means is even on a summer's night, a dark summer's evening, you can still put the LED lights on, all on their own. You won't have to have the pilot light on. Therefore, for me, you get 52 weeks a year out of that fire. The final added benefit, of course, is that comes with a 5-year warranty when fitted by an expert retailer such as EcoFires.
And again, obviously, with the 5-year guarantee from Gazco, we're going to reflect that with the labour and the installation, so everything about it is covered for 5 years.